Happy Flush Hour, and this is Mark, my husband, and for the library's YouTube channel, South Whitley Library YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a Valentine's dinner. We're doing ribeye steaks and lobster tails, and we have baked potatoes to go along with that, and I also made a cherry blueberry crumb pie. So first we're going to show you how to cut the lobster tails. We've not done this before. It was my first time. So put this down here. We got these at Sam's Club. So I cut 2 of them already. Costco, sorry. So you just take your scissors, and I have a pair of, they're called kitchen shears, so you can cut a chicken with them. You can do all kinds of deboning and stuff with them. And you go in the middle and cut down to the tail, but not through the tail, like that. You can see that. Let's move this out of the way. And then you have to fluff it up like this, and so you break these open off of the skin, or off of the meat. Like that. So it comes off so you can see the red part. And then you kind of break that back and you pull the meat up off of there, off of the shell, and you put the shell underneath it and rest the meat on top like that. So that's how you do that. We're gonna be frying the steaks in a cast iron skillet on the stove, and the lobster tails go in the oven, just in the under broil for I think 6 to 8 minutes, not too long. My oven runs hot, so it's probably going to be closer to 6 than to 8. So we're going to get this all set up, and we'll come back and show you what the steaks look like when they're cooking.
Just sauteing some steak toppings, onions and mushrooms.
And here's Buster back here watching. He's hoping for droppings on the floor later. Alright.
Oh. We got the steak here seared in the pan. Probably about 2 minutes. Then we'll flip her, then we'll...
We like ours medium rare.
We're going to put them in the oven.
And we have the broiler on 500 for the lobster tails, but the steak can be at 500 too for 2 or 3 minutes, and it'll be fine. And the butter mixture we have for the lobster tail is 4 ounces of butter, 4 tablespoons, and some paprika, some lemon juice, salt and pepper, and garlic. So we just had this on. This is what the looks like for the lobster tail. So I'm just going to brush this on while Mark finishes cooking that steak. Okay, we have our meals prepared. Here's a picture or video. The steak and the lobster tails. This one wouldn't set up, so the tail kind of got burnt a little bit. And we have baked potatoes, and there's our pie. The steaks we like we said, we cooked them in the cast iron skillet for a couple minutes on each side and in butter, and then put them in the oven under broiler for a couple more minutes. And at the end, we added the mushrooms and the onions that we made for on top. So we hope you have a happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
I guess.
And Buster's over here.
Yeah.
Licking his chops.
Here's Buster. Where you at, Buster? Here's Buster. Waiting for his little piece of steak. Maybe some lobster. We'll see. But we hope you have a happy Valentine's Day, and look for our video next month coming from the South Whitley Community Public Library.